On reporting season in general, you've written today in the Fairfax media, and I quote, "In what will undoubtedly be the worst annual profit season in living memory, it's amazing to see how pleased analysts and investors have been with the overall message. The red ink continues to, has been spilled like never before, but it's almost been a case of the bigger the loss, the better the reaction." What did you mean by that?
Well, a company like Westfield declares a loss of $700 million. OK, they've written down their assets by $3 billion, but the market was delighted they didn't raise new capital. So the stock rose 3%. Crown Casino, James Packer just cleared the decks and wrote everything in the US and the UK pretty much down to zero. And the share price was up a couple of percent yesterday. So the market at one level likes companies to be realistic. And I guess the other point is that they're also looking very much at the outlook statements. And when a company like James Hardie comes along and says, hey, the US housing market's bottomed, it's looking quite nice, stock's up 20% in one day. Harvey Norman today, shares up more than 5%. Sonic Healthcare shares up close to 10%. So we haven't had too many shockers on the outlook, the likes of Pacific Brands, the odd one here or there, but even the banks, the outlook is looking good. So I would say we've got through this profit reporting season with, unprecedented losses. Goodman today and joins the $1 billion loss club. But overall, outlook statements quite positive, and against expectations, the profit season has been better than the market had factored in.